Hello, Tyndale students, and thank you for watching this tutorial brought to you by the Center for Academic Excellence, or CAE. I am going to show you how to attend your virtual meeting when you book a consultation with Writing and Tutoring Services, Academic Advising Services, or Career Services. Before you attend your first meeting, be sure that you have the Microsoft Teams application downloaded to your computer. You can find it when you log in to one.tyndale.ca. The first thing you want to do is find your meeting link, which will be located in two places. You can either access it from the confirmation email that you received when you booked your consultation, or through Scribe, our booking site, at scribe.tyndale.ca. Once you log in with your My Tyndale email and password, your upcoming appointments will appear under the My Appointments tab. If you have more than one appointment pending, please make sure you are attending the correct one by verifying the date, time, and service. Next, you are going to click the meeting link in the location field. A box will appear asking if you have a meeting with your consultant. Click Yes, and you will be prompted to enter your first name and last name. Once you hit Continue, you will be asked to wait while your consultant receives a notification that you are in the virtual waiting room. Your consultant will need a few minutes to log in and start the meeting, so please be patient and do not refresh the screen or close the tab. Now that the consultant has begun the meeting, click Start Meeting in Microsoft Teams, open Microsoft Teams, and choose the appropriate option.